Today, we're exploring a transformative approach to eating, the guide to mindful eating for weight management. Mindful eating isn't just about what we eat, but how we eat. It's a practice that brings awareness to our food choices, emotions, and body cues. By tuning into our senses and honoring hunger and fullness, mindful eating can foster a healthier relationship with food and support weight management goals naturally. Join me as we uncover practical strategies and insights to cultivate mindfulness during meals, making each bite an opportunity for nourishment and balance. Let's embark on this journey towards mindful eating together. Today we will talk about guide to mindful eating for weight management. So before we get started, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to my channel. Mindful eating is a practice that encourages individuals to cultivate awareness and presence during meals, fostering a deeper connection with food and eating habits. This comprehensive guide explores the principles of mindful eating, its benefits for weight management, practical strategies to incorporate mindful eating into daily life, and evidence-based tips to support sustainable weight loss goals. 1. Understanding mindful eating. Mindful eating is rooted in mindfulness, a practice derived from Buddhist teachings that emphasizes present moment awareness without judgment. Applied to eating, mindful eating involves awareness, paying attention to physical hunger and satiety cues, as well as emotional and environmental triggers that influence eating behaviors. Non-judgment, approaching food choices and eating habits with curiosity and compassion, without labeling foods as good or bad. 2. Benefits of mindful eating for weight management. Mindful eating offers several benefits that support healthy weight management and overall well-being. Improved eating awareness. Heightened awareness of hunger and fullness cues helps prevent overeating and promotes balanced food intake. Reduced emotional eating. Mindful eating encourages addressing emotional triggers for eating stress, boredom, without using food as a coping mechanism. Better digestion. Eating slowly and mindfully aids digestion and nutrient absorption, reducing discomfort and bloating. 3. Practical strategies for mindful eating. Incorporate these strategies into your daily routine to cultivate mindful eating habits and support weight management. Eat without distractions. Avoid multitasking while eating watching TV, scrolling through your phone, to focus on the sensory experience of eating. Slow down. Take your time to chew food thoroughly and appreciate flavors. Aim to extend meal times by pacing yourself and enjoying each bite. Practice portion control. Use smaller plates and utensils, serve appropriate portion sizes, and avoid second helpings until you assess your hunger level. Mindful meal planning. Plan balanced meals in advance, considering nutrient density and variety to support overall health and satisfaction. Stay hydrated. Drink water before meals to support hydration and help distinguish thirst from hunger cues. 4. Evidence-based tips for sustainable weight loss. Mindful eating complements evidence-based strategies for sustainable weight loss by promoting mindful food choices, moderation, and self-awareness. Balanced nutrition. Focus on whole, nutrient-dense foods such as fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, whole grains, and healthy fats to support overall health and satiety. Moderation. Enjoy occasional treats mindfully, savoring small portions without guilt or deprivation. Physical activity. Incorporate regular physical activity that aligns with your preferences and fitness level to support calorie balance and overall well-being. Stress management. Practice stress-reducing techniques such as mindfulness meditation, deep breathing exercises, or yoga to reduce emotional eating triggers. Sleep quality. Prioritize adequate sleep, 7 to 9 hours per night for adults, to support hormonal balance, appetite regulation, and overall energy levels. 5. Mindful eating in everyday life. Integrating mindful eating into daily routines promotes mindful awareness, enhances enjoyment of meals, and supports sustainable weight management. Morning routine. Start the day mindfully by savoring a nutritious breakfast, such as whole grain cereal with fresh fruit and yogurt, without distractions. Midday pause. Take a mindful break during lunchtime to appreciate flavors and textures, fostering relaxation and mindful eating habits. Afternoon snack. Choose a balanced snack, like nuts and fruit, and eat mindfully to boost energy levels and maintain satiety until dinner. 6. Mindful eating for emotional well-being. Mindful eating supports emotional well-being by fostering a positive relationship with food, promoting self-care, and reducing stress-related eating behaviors. Self-compassion. Practice self-compassion by approaching eating habits with kindness, acknowledging successes, and learning from challenges without self-criticism. Mindful pause. Before reaching for food, pause to assess your emotional state and physical hunger cues, choosing to eat mindfully and with intention. Positive affirmations. Use positive affirmations to reinforce mindful eating habits, such as "I listen to my body's hunger cues" or "I nourish myself with wholesome foods." 7. Cultural and social considerations. Mindful eating can be adapted to cultural preferences and social settings, honoring diverse food traditions and promoting mindful food choices. Cultural awareness. Respect cultural traditions and preferences regarding meal times, food preparation methods, and communal dining practices. Social dining. Enjoy shared meals mindfully with family and friends, engaging in meaningful conversation and savoring the social aspects of dining together. Healthy boundaries. Maintain healthy boundaries by making mindful food choices that align with your personal values and health goals in social settings. Mindful celebrations. Approach special occasions and celebrations with mindfulness, enjoying festive foods mindfully and balancing indulgence with moderation. Mindful eating is a powerful tool for supporting weight management, promoting healthy eating behaviors, and enhancing overall well-being. By cultivating awareness, practicing mindfulness, and incorporating evidence-based strategies into daily life, individuals can achieve sustainable weight loss goals, improve eating habits, and enjoy a more mindful and fulfilling relationship with food. Embrace the principles of mindful eating as a pathway to health, happiness, and lifelong wellness. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comments section below. Before you go, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.